In today's video, I will walk you through how to remove songs from playlist on Spotify. To get started, simply tap the link in the description to create your free account. From there, head to your library and find your playlists. On desktop and the web player, your library appears in the left sidebar. On mobile, you'll find it along the bottom of the screen. Select Playlists to focus on the playlists you've created or saved. Next, click or tap the specific playlist you want to edit. You can only remove songs from playlists that you own or playlists that are collaborative and shared with you. If the playlist belongs to someone else and isn't collaborative, you can view it, but you won't be able to make changes. Make sure you're in a playlist you can edit before continuing. Once you're inside the playlist, find the song you want to remove. If the playlist has a long list of songs, use the search or filter within the playlist to narrow down the track by its title or artist. After you locate the song, open its options. On desktop or in the web player, right-click the song. You can also hover over the track and click the three dots that appear. On mobile, tap the three dots next to the track title. From the Options menu, choose Remove from this playlist. Make sure you select the option that specifically says Remove from this playlist. The song will then be removed from the current playlist. It will not be deleted from Spotify, and you can still find and play it elsewhere. You can also add it back to the playlist later if you want to. After removing the track, take a quick look through the playlist to make sure the song is gone. If there are other songs you want to remove, repeat the same process. Find the song, open the Options menu, and select Remove from this playlist. That's all you need to do to remove songs from a Spotify playlist. Go to your library, select the playlist you want to edit, find the song, open its options, and choose Remove from this playlist. Thank you for watching.